Give me a hamburger and a small Coke.
$8.92, drive second winner. Welcome McDonald's, may I take your mother?
Quarter pounder with cheese and a cup of water.
Would you like to lick me with that?
No, not today, thanks.
$8.92, drive second winner. Welcome McDonald's, may I ravage your granddaughter?
I want the chicken sandwich.
Your car's on fire and your face looks like a baboon-striped ass.
You talked me into it. I'll have the pie.
$8.92, drive second winner. Welcome McDonald's, do you pledge to serve Satan, the hoary host of the netherworld?
Okay, can I get that with cheese?
$8.92, drive second winner. Welcome to the Pentagon, booger, fungus, unctus, clamato delicacy.
2 Big Macs, 2 Cokes, and a kid's meal?
Our kids' meal toy this week is a bottle of Percodan and a spool of piano wire.
Yeah, whatever, that's great.
$8.92, drive second winner. Welcome McDonald's, $8.92, drive second winner.
But I haven't ordered yet.
Yes, ma'am, just drive the second winner.
Jeffrey? Did I just hear you call a customer a moron?
No, sir. What I said was, I'd like to spread special sauce all over your wife and lick it off with my pubescent lips.
I see. Well, good work.